Hi, I'm Vicky from the Carpenter's Daughter. You'll probably notice I love to go around in my Mercedes Vito camper van. But VanX are here today to show me how to replace a T5 gear knob and cap. And it looks very straightforward. So I'm going to show you how we do it. So one of the places I always notice wear and tear are any switches and gear sticks, and this one is particularly worn out, so we're going to replace that. And we've got a VanX one here, and we're going to add a cap to it. So already I've noticed that this one is missing, which is quite common. So it's exposing a hexagon screw, so we're going to undo that, replace it with this and pop a new cap on. So you'll need a hexagon screwdriver, and you can get those most places, or just an attachment to your electric screwdriver. And we're just going to unscrew that, and it should open a mechanism inside. I think that's ready to come out. There. Oh, it was easier than I thought. So keep hold of the spring, mine came off, so we're going to pop that back, pop the new gear knob on, grab the screw, fix that back into place, and what I didn't realise how easy it was to replace these, because there's just 3 hooks and you just line them up, nice and simple. There, just wait for the click. If silver doesn't match your interior, you could also choose from blue, black or red.